Alright guys, welcome back. What we got here is a Autel scan tool. We're gonna put this thing to a test. Try it out on a GMC, Chevy, Buick, or any other domestic GM line. So this thing is freaking awesome. It's a wireless one. This is the one to plug into your OBD port. I like the wireless one so that you could work in front of the engine of the vehicle while this thing is connected to the OBD port. We'll connect it down here. You got the green light. All right, so let's see how this thing works out. Put the key in. Okay, we don't need the radio. All right, trying to make my camera steady here. I don't have my tripod with me. All right, so this is the main page. I guess you hear make model, but there's a function right here for the VIN auto detect, or you can go manual input. So let's try auto detect. Make sure the key is on position. There you go. So it auto detect the vehicle, and yeah, we could go okay with that. There you go. There's all the information of the vehicle. 2012 Terrain, all-wheel drive, 2.4, 4-cylinder. The 3.0 is a V6. This function right here is the battery. That's the battery of your engine battery under the hood. Down here on the main screen, it shows the battery of this scan tool. It will show percentage, and the Wi-Fi connection down here, it will show. No, don't worry about that. All right, here we go. We're in the ECUs now. Diagnostic right there. So auto scan, it will scan the code control unit. This is when you just see all this information right here. Really cool, guys. Gives you a lot of information in here. Oh my god. Steering wheel, airbag, body control, ECM module, transmission cluster, seats, fuel pump, left gate control, park assist control, power steering module, electric brake control module. Next page. Oh my god, lots of information on this GMC one using this Maxicom made by Autel. Lots of information. Radio, probably like when programming the radio. Wow. Remote heater and air condition control module. Let's try that one. See if this thing has a live data. See if this thing has a control that I can control, turn on and off my actuator. Because doing actuator and stuff, oh no, it doesn't tell you. See, it would give you all the information. When I turn on the mode door or vent door, circulating door, it would give me the command that they are on and off, but I can't control them. So that's the thing about that. Can't control. You can't manually turn it on and off yourself. It would be nice if you can. This is a dual zone manual control. Yeah. Go back. HVAC system. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah. It just gives you the range, the unit, percentage or voltage, and the value if they're on and off, or what setting they're at, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or voltage value. So this is to diagnose if your motor actuator is really working or not. It gives you the option here, or what needs to be find the problem. You know, if you're having a problem of like the door, HVAC door is not opening, the driver's side is cold but the passenger side is not, the vent is the vent on your dash, there's no air coming out but it's coming from the bottom, that kind of stuff. You can see it on this scan tool here. So that's really nice.